everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we have the Foundation Bomb by Kevyn Aucoin, and it took me a little bit of time to grab this because I asked Kevyn Aucoin from Autology, and Autology is a company who helps small influencers and medium-sized influencers to contact brands to get collaborations and be sent certain products. If you're an influencer and if you have a certain amount of followers, you can register for this service, and if you're interested on it, I'm gonna leave the link down below. With no further ado, we have here Kevyn Aucoin Foundation Bomb. I have mine in the shade Light FB04 and it's 22.3 grams or 0.7 ounce, and this is how the box looks like. This is marketed for $52 and it comes with this little brush. This is kind of like a booky brush and it's very dense, very soft. It's tiny. I really like the size of it. It's so cute, traveling friendly, very much. When you open it up, this is how the shade looks like. Hopefully it works. On Sephora website, it says that it's a full cover foundation, that it has hyaluronic acid and is matte finish, and it's for normal, combo, and oil skin. So out of the bat, not dry skin. Highlighted ingredients has hyaluronic acid, antioxidant vitamin E that protects the skin and condition the skin. It has avocado oil that support the skin barrier to protect against external damage. So, and it's also free of parabens. So it sounds very, very good, this formula. And it only comes on 20 shades, which is not so good. See, the color is a little lighter in my skin than what it looks in here. So that's what it confused me a little bit. It's a tiny bit light for me, but it's okay. I will try to work it out, and it was sent to me, so obviously these things happen when you don't try in person. It goes along very well. This brush is nice. I like the brush, it's nice. Definitely see why they don't recommend it for dry skin. Anywhere I have dry patches is getting in there, like showing them more, emphasizing my dry spots. So now I can see why they're like, no, if you have dry skin, please don't get this. Let's see how it looks with the rest of the makeup. As you notice, I didn't apply any primer or anything else. I only have my serum and my SPF under the foundation, and that's it. I'm going to finish my makeup and I'm gonna be back and show you how it looks with all the makeup on. My friends, this is not working. Like, this here is not working right. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wash my face and apply a different SPF. I have this by Dr. Jart. I'm gonna be applying this one. Right now I have the Ren, and I don't think this is working out, so I'm gonna apply that SPF, and I'm going to be applying primer, my Veil Hourglass, because this here is looking rough and it's peeling out of my nose too. It's just not working, so I'm gonna reapply this. Alright, so this is how my face looks like with all the makeup on. As I said before, I had to apply this foundation again because it was grabbing all over the place. So I think it was missing my primer. So what I did was I took it off, I cleaned my face, and I applied this SPF by Dr. Jart Everyday Sunday. This is SPF 36, and then I apply my Hourglass Veil, and then I go ahead and apply the foundation again, and it looks much better. It's grabbing a little less in this area. My nose is a disaster, but that happens a lot with a lot of foundations, so I'm not gonna blame this foundation from that or for that, but I definitely think the first impression, it looks okay. And again, I can see why people with dry skin shouldn't be even try or get even close to this foundation. But I see so far so good. I think people with combo towards oily skin and oily skin is gonna really like this. So far so good. Let's see how it looks at the end of the day. Alright my friends, this is how my face looks like after 10 hours of wearing this foundation, and I have a good thought about this foundation. Definitely a lot of foundations have been looking good on me where I have my dry areas or my more normal skin type areas, and definitely a lot of foundations are not passing the test of my nose. This one is not the session. My nose looks cakey. Actually my nose, no, this area right here looks very cakey, and I don't have foundation in my nose. Since the beginning the foundation didn't want to stick on my nose. I can see my oils peeking through. I can see my smile expressions getting more emphasized. But remember, this is 10 hours of wearing the foundation without any touch ups, and it doesn't look terrible, horrible, like terrible, but it doesn't look good. So I think this foundation definitely needs a good touch up in between. If you're going to the extremes of extreme dry skin, no. And if you're extremely oil, no. If you're combo like me, you need to definitely touch up. And if you have problems with foundation sticking on your nose, you need to put concealer under that foundation. Those are my thoughts on this foundation. I like the way it applies. I like the way that it looks. I like the finishing. I like the feeling of it. I like how it covers my skin, how it blurs my pores. I like everything about it. I said that it's hard for me to put it on my nose, and right now it looks cakey a little bit in that area only. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that it was informative for all of you, and if you like high-end makeup and you like a little bit of fashion, please consider subscribe to my channel. It will make the world to me, and it will help me a lot here on YouTube, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!